Alright, today's a big day. Got all the suspension finished up. We got new upper and lower control arms, new bushings on the sway bar. We got new coil springs, new drop shocks. Dropped it 3 inches in the front, 5 in the back. Getting ready to take it to the paint shop. Going back all black with it. Got everything pretty well cleaned up and stripped down. Just got to break the doors down. Everything will be ready to paint. We'll put a new windshield in it. Debating on whether to go with the Chevrolet or the GMC 94 to 98 front end port. Still haven't ordered that yet. Figure that part out. So that's where we're at. While the truck was at the body shop, stripped all the old paint off. We took the doors off, jammed the inside of the doors, put new pins and bushings in the doors, new latches, the bed. Got the roll pan molded into it, got the final sand done on it, fixing to start painting on it. Gonna do a spray and bed liner. This is the truck after it came out of paint, before it was put back together. Looks really good. Got new door handles going back in it, new mirrors. Got all new weather stripping going around the doors. New outer belt moldings. So the door basically be brand new, weather tight. I decided to go with the 94 to 98 GMC grill to put back in it. This is a T-Rex billet insert. Going with the Movo Tour LED headlight setup in it. Next video will be the final reveal. Thanks for watching.